Back to this Ford yt16. There is apparently this is an early model 80 with the Briggs & Stratton 16 horsepower twin. They call it the, I think they call it the L twin, or the L head motor on it. Did some modifications as I wasn't getting good fuel flow, and so you can see I like to run it outside. I feel better with it running outside. I know what's going on with it. I know it's not getting caught on anything. Replaced the filter. Went ahead and cut the fuel in here. There's a fuel shutoff solenoid, which was apparently sticking closed, so I cut that. But then the major problem, which would have ended this the life of this mower, was that I was having wobbly spindles, and my dog is right here. Okay, and so this would have ended this mower's life because it would have cost over $400 to get the spindles. These spindles are very hard to find, if you can find them. Now it seems like there's some case spindles that look really similar to what these are. You see how low they sit, and then if you can, I don't know if I can, if my dog will let me here, get up under there and see. No, let's see here. Oh, it switched sides. Nope, stop, dog. All right, and as you can see, it comes down only about maybe 2.5 to 3 inches, and then it has a two bolt holder for the blade, and there's 3 of them. And so what we can see is that so like I was seeing maybe something that looked similar, but nothing that looked really like that as an aftermarket listing on eBay or anywhere. All the parts places, like from Messick's and all the other places that have a listing under the Ford YT, don't show to have these in stock. If they did, they would have been extremely expensive. I mean, one of the pulleys for this thing was like $100. So what I did, now I've actually finished mowing this acre. This one is very secure, no movement. I'm going to the middle one right now. Now there is a little wobble here, and I didn't do this one like I did the others, which I'll probably have to go back and redo this one. I was hearing a little bit of a noise as I completed the mowing. I did away with the middle. I did away with this pulley right here, the tensioner pulley on this side, and went with I think this is a B55 belt. No, a B45, which really I can probably get away with a B46. Let's see, this belt right here is a 5L 900, which makes it a B, what does that make that, a B87 maybe? A B87? Yeah, let's see, that's a B45 or a 5L 480. Yeah, so and this belt has worked good. So I got a little wobble on this one. What I did here, you take off this bolt, you remove the pulley. What I did was there's, over the years, it has wore out, the 2 bearings on the top and bottom have wallowed out the bearing holder for it. So there might be some other ways you can do this, but I welded the top bearing on, but on the bottom, see, both of these on the top and bottom only have a circlip, which keep it throughout the whole spindle assembly, spindle housing. And so if you take, I found out by the second one, if I take that circlip out, then I can add a middle bearing. And so adding that middle bearing and then welding the top one allowed me to I think I might have welded the bottom. No, I welded the top one. Allowed me to add a third bearing in a part that had no wallowed out area. So let me check the other one and see if that has worked. Now on this one, this was the first one I did, I welded the top and the bottom one. So apparently, which after I thought, I should have done that to this one, because this is going to be the one that's going to probably wear out the fastest, because it has the movement from that other belt, and so it's going to have more problems sooner. And then this one, no movement at all. So the ones in which I did as you can see, no wobble in this one, with a third bearing, and then welding the top one has worked really well. So now again, going back, if I could put in 2 bearings, that would be optimal to have a 4 bearing system. That would be great. That would be the optimum to me. That would be, but I don't think I can fit 4 bearings in there.